If this is the kitchen space we have.
Oh my God, what a huge kitchen. And what a spacious one in contrast to the Indian ones that we have. And I can see a lot of modern equipment here. So did you buy all of these?
No, so actually all these equipments which is there, right? It's pre-installed. And when we bought the house, at that time, whatever we have pre-installed in house, you'll get it. So it's like that.
So all these items like the dishwasher, I can see right here. Camera. Yeah, the dishwasher and the fridge, the ovens and the stove.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got it pre-installed.
Correct. And the nice thing about this electronic equipment is, like in India, we'll use lighter and all, right? You can directly just press and open it, and it will directly lighten up.
Oh my God! We don't need any lighter at all.
Yeah.
Such a
Which is a cool feature over here, which I like it.
Such a hazardly very good.
Let's move to our backyard, and this is my favorite place.
It is a very difficult place to get in India, isn't it?
Yes. And it's our private space. Mostly we'll do summer parties over here.
You mentioned that you're vegetarians, but most of the people here, I guess 90% of them, they are non-vegetarians, and maybe the dishes also that are offered here are non-vegetarian dishes. So how do you cope up with that?
But here we have lots of good options because you will get lots of chocolates, lots of dessert places, and I love that. So I am coping up very well, and I think the best part is there are lots of Indian places as well where we'll get the Indian food, and also we can have Mexican food which is very close to Indian, so I like that as well. Thai is also there where we'll get options for vegetarians. So we have options. It's not like you move to the US and you don't have options. It's not like that.
So that is a great myth buster, because we do get to hear that a lot, that in USA it is very difficult to attain or to get hold of vegetarian food, but we have this beautiful lady telling us that you get ample amount of dishes, ample amount of cuisine.
So if you see this landscape, we decided it, and if you see our neighbors, they have very plain area and they don't do the landscaping.
Beautiful landscaping. It is actually a mix of huge trees,
Yes.
the shrubs and the grass, I can see.
Yes.
Right?
And grass are very green over here.
Yeah, we can see that. And the weather. My God, the
Yes.
weather remains very cool and breezy. Is it throughout the year or is it just for the summer?
No, it's just for the summer, and mostly when it starts from April last to October. And when it comes to October, it's not be that greeny. In most of the places you will see snow, and it's very chilly outside. But I think I like cold places, so I enjoy here. That's
So
it.
I guess we have come to Chicago in a very nice weather, and a weather which is welcoming to us, isn't it?
Correct.